Hello everyone! Today we will see how to make a healthy and a tasty multigrain health mix cake. To make this cake, I am using homemade multigrain powder. If you don't have this powder at home, then you get this powder, health mix powder, in almost all supermarkets now. You can buy that and make this cake for your children. First, let's preheat the oven to about 180 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes. Now we can start preparing the batter. In a bowl, take some unsalted butter. Make sure the butter is at room temperature. Beat the butter for about a minute till it's light. Then we can add the sugar. Since this is a healthy cake, we will add a healthy sugar. You can use jaggery powder or palm jaggery, coconut sugar, any healthy sugar that you have at home, you can use that. I am using country sugar. Add the sugar and beat the butter and sugar for about 1 minute. In between, stop the mixer and scrape the bottom and sides of your bowl. Next, we'll add the eggs. We are using 3 eggs for this recipe. Make sure the eggs are at room temperature. Add 1 egg at a time and beat the eggs well. These are all our wet ingredients. Next, we can add the dry ingredients. For this, place a sieve over the bowl and then add the health mix powder. Along with this, add 1 teaspoon of baking powder and I am adding a 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder. If you don't want the flavor of cardamom, then you can add vanilla, but use either the cardamom or the vanilla because we are using 3 eggs, so to avoid the eggy smell, we need to add some flavor. Then add a pinch of salt. Combine all of these together and then sieve it into the bowl. Now mix the dry ingredients with the wet ingredients. Be gentle as you mix the dry and the wet ingredients. As it is, we are adding a multigrain powder, so if you want the cake to be nice and soft, then just mix until it all comes together. Don't over mix the batter and mix it by hand. Finally, I am adding a 1/4 cup of walnuts. Chop the walnuts and add it in. If your kids won't prefer walnuts, then you can add 1/4 cup of chocolate chips. Mix it along with the batter. If the batter is very thick, you can add 1 or 2 tablespoons of milk. My batter was fine, so I did not add any extra milk. Transfer the batter into a prepared cake tin. I am using a 7 inches cake tin. This is a very small cake. You can use a 6 inches cake tin also. Line the cake tin with a baking paper or a parchment paper and grease it with oil or butter so that the cake comes out easily without sticking to the pan. Tap the cake tin on the counter a few times to release any air bubbles. Now this cake is ready to be baked in the preheated oven for about 20 to 25 minutes or until a skewer comes out clean. Each oven is different. My oven took only 20 minutes to bake this small cake, but you can start checking after 20 or 25 minutes. Put a skewer or a toothpick in the middle of the cake. If it comes out clean, then it is done. Otherwise, bake for a little longer. Wait for the cake to cool completely and then you can remove it from the cake tin. So that is it. A very healthy and an easy multigrain health mix cake is done. This is such a soft, moist and a tasty cake. When I made this cake for the first time, I was a bit apprehensive as to how this cake will turn out, but it turned out to be so delicious and my kids also enjoyed this cake a lot. If your kids don't like eating health mix porridges, then you can make such tasty and innovative snacks with the health mix powder. I usually make cakes, muffins, milkshakes, cutlets with this health mix powder. I'll update the links in the description box if you're interested. So do try out this healthy and a tasty health mix cake one evening. Until next time, bye bye.